certain myths about hair. Hair is, our crowning glory. We all love a beautiful set of good density hair on our scalp. Certain things which have been run down through generations and we still believe in them. I would like to tell you a little bit in details about hair care. First of all, frequent trimming is good to handle the ends of your hair. Your split ends, they should be taken care of, cut them off. The hair should look healthy, but frequent cutting of your hair will not have any impact on your hair follicle. Your hair growth is because of the root inside the scalp. So even if you're cutting your hair less frequently or more frequently, it doesn't alter the hair growth. Secondly, how often do I wash my scalp? It's a frequently asked question. You can wash your scalp daily also as long as you're using a mild shampoo. Paraben free, SLS free, phytonutrients, herbal, Ayurvedic, allopathic, all that is secondary. It should be a mild shampoo which should not leave a residue in your scalp. So you can wash your hair daily. Washing your hair daily doesn't mean that the hair fall will happen. Thirdly, should I condition my hair? Of course, whether it's an oily strand or a dry strand, conditioning is important. It gives a moisture retention activity to your hair. So conditioning is an important thing. Whether you condition with a leave-on conditioner, rinse-off conditioner or an oil application is your call. Some people experience sebum buildup, which is during summers they feel there is like a lot of itching, irritation in the scalp. Please visit a dermatologist. Don't try to handle things yourself. Yes, if you're into over-the-counter products like, then take a call. But if there is sensitivity, meet the doctor. Home-based products like putting your curd, henna, egg, all of that you can do if your scalp is normal. That is what I tell all my patients. They are good activities. They've been down through the generations. But if there is seborrhea, dandruff, dermatitis, scalp acne, do not do this DIYs, which is do it yourself. Hairstyling, of course, it's very important. It's a part of your grooming, but please don't blow dry your hair on a daily basis. Only when you have to go out, and it's really important you do your blow dries. After washing your hair, do not use your dryer to blow dry your hair on at home also. You can use it at a mild heat. Sometimes you want to set your hair, but stay away from it. Hair colors, we all color our hair. You can color your hair. Yes, when you're doing something like this, be prepared that the shaft can be damaged. You can pick up these PPT-free hair colors which are more towards natural henna-based, which will not damage your hair at all. I hope these tips will be of some good to you and you will be put to them to best of your practice.